Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative, and today I'm here again at TMC at 181 East Houston Street in Manhattan. And today we're taking a look at one of my new favorite drinks. This is Minna. We're actually having a demo here today, but since I post this later, the demo will have already happened, but we'll be having more in the future. But this is a lightly brewed sparkling tea, if this will ever come into focus. There we go. And what differentiates the three flavors is, first, there are three flavors, but secondly, one comes with 0 milligrams of caffeine, one comes with 10 milligrams, and then this one here comes with 45. So these are all unsweetened, organic, and this one here is tropical green tea. And we've had this here for maybe about a month. People really enjoy it. It's kind of just a complement to maybe a flavored seltzer water, but I'm gonna try it here in front of you and just because I've had this before, but I just want it fresh in my mouth and just see what this feels like. All right, so again, this one is the one that has 45 milligrams of caffeine, but you can go all the way down to 0 if you just don't want that. So the carbonation is nice. I'd say the bubbles are about medium size, and the flavor is, it's light and refreshing. I already forgot which flavor I'm drinking right now, so I'm just trying to think. It just tastes like a fruit, if a fruit was just kind of a general term. And this one is tropical green tea. And it says, Minna, as good as it tastes, no sugars, no extras, just the fewest and best ingredients. And if you want to take a look, that is the nutrition information here, and all the way there. So this is something that I do appreciate. You get your sweet drink, no sugars, and it is organic, but then you get to decide, hey, do I want this in the morning to kind of pick me up, or do I want this at a later time in the evening, and then I don't want to be like all caffeinated? Then you can just take the 0 milligram version too, and it's just a good time. So I like this. As soon as we got it, it's just been flying off the shelves, so I've been very happy. But if you ever get to try this, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos here and then other places back home, and I'm gonna do a lot more here now and then in 2020. So stick with me. But today, this has been Minna, the lightly brewed sparkling tea. So give it a try. I know you can't taste it through the way I'm tasting it right now, but hey, this is my recommendation. Usually these videos that I'm going to be doing here are going to be recommendations for a product. I don't want to be overly negative on anything. I usually feature the products I like. Some things I don't like, and maybe if it's to a point, I'll mention it, but mostly I think it's best to stay positive, and I think that's good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.